All right, guys, the video you're about to see was a whole lot of grinding. Hot day. It's actually Memorial Day today. We took the JON boat out, so you guys got to get a little sneak peek of that. Okay, besides that, we got our comment of the week. It comes to us via ADB9458. He says, just as good as the big fishing channels. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. I'll put his name up on the video screen. Guys, thank you so much for participating in the comments. If you're gonna participate, I want to start a new thing where you guys just leave your name. That way I can address you by your first name. It's a little bit easier for me because some of these that are just letters and numbers are hard to read out. And also, I just want to know your guys' first names. So, ADB9458, thank you so much for the comment, buddy. Really appreciate it. I do a lot of work, put in a lot of work making these videos, so it means a lot that you said that. Thanks, buddy. All right, guys, stay tuned for this one. It's a good one. Guys, here is the JON boat. Got it all rigged up. No wake lake today, trolling motors only.
Look,
oh, you got a jig?
yeah.
Oh, sweet. Oh, Troy just found us a free jig. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna hop on. Sit still. There we go. Alrighty, guys. We're launched here. Troy's got his Nerf gun on the boat. Yep. We're gonna cut it here.
What?
We're gonna cut it here, get our trolling motor and our fish finder turned on. This thing is off center. Okay, guys, we're gonna start out throwing craw here. Rage craw. I got a punching rig tied up. I wasn't sure if there was gonna be really anything for me to punch. It's okay. If there's not, we're just gonna throw it in these toolies a little bit. See if we can get on some fish. Midday, it's hot. It's not gonna be easy. It's 20 foot of water here. Let me see that one for a second. Don't touch this one. I'll give this one back to you in just a minute, okay? There we go. There's a good fish. Oh, stay down. Oh my gosh. He is a hyper one. Oh, I know. I gotta keep him from going under the boat. Stay away from that motor. Stay away from that motor. Here he comes. All right, we're gonna boat flip on him. Oh, is it? Nope, he's not ready. Man, he is fighting hard. Oh, there we go. Look at that, guys. Nice fish. Oh. Calm down, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, he choked it, guys. It's in his gullet.
Get him. Is he dead?
No. There we go, guys. All right, we're gonna let this guy go.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes.
He's at the bottom. Dad, take my what?
All right. Oh, hold on. There we go. Yep. Little guy. Yeah.
You got blue tail.
That's not a blue, it's a bass.
Good job, a bass.
Hold on.
Hey, Maggie. I'll hold him.
Okay, just a second.
I'll hold the cute baby bass. He's not bleeding.
Yeah.
Good.
There he is. Go ahead, hold him. Oh.
No, get him. Put him in my net. Put him in my net.
Okay, you want to let him go out of your net?
No, I don't hold him in my net.
Okay, for a second, and then you got to let him go, okay? He's too little. Go ahead, let him go. There he goes.
I saw him. Hey, watch out. I'm still focusing on.
Okay, this is the best bluegill catcher right here. See that? Look at it. Here you go.
You caught that on mine?
Yeah, here.
So loud. How did
Sound travels on the water.
What?
Because this... Oh! Whoa! Did you see that?
What was it?
There's a bass freaking out.
Maybe the bleeding bass again.
I got him. I got him. Oh my gosh, that was so freaking cool.
Oh my god. So.
Here. Net.
Net! Flash! Net!
Oh, he doesn't need it. He's not that big. Never mind. Oh, come here, Barbie. Oh, stay down. There he is, guys.
Big bass, actually.
Yep, here.
He's a big one, huh?
Boat flip.
Both flips.
There we go. Nice little bass, guys. Get him back in the water. I'm going to cast on this side of you.
Yeah. No.
Okay, you go ahead. No, I gave you plenty of room. Go ahead. There. Oh, good. Let that sink. Let that sink. Don't touch it yet. This is a good spot up here too, Troy.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
You need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.
A decent fish.
Put him in my net. Put him in my net. Put him in my net.
Oh, okay. All right, we will.
That's a big one.
He's not that big. Pretty fish.
Put him in my net. Put him.
Okay, hold on. Oh, he's been caught. Oh, no, that's mine. Never mind. Maybe he hasn't been caught before.
There's one again.
Yeah.
Put him in there now. Put him in my net.
All right. Here, there he goes. Son likes to put him in the net. In his little net. Messing around with him. Okay, you can't hold him for a long time because he can't breathe out of the water. So you got to put him in the water and let him go, okay?
Look, I can do this. Alright. See?
Yeah, get him in there.
I can do this. Alright. So I'm going to go over there fishing. Look, you can breathe down.
What was that?
What is it? It's so big. Did you got a head? Did you got a head, Dad?
Yeah.
You got a head?
Uh-huh.
Did you got a tail?
Nope.
No tail?
No tail.
Did
Oh, there's a fish.
Fish? How?
Yep.
Baby. I don't hold him.
It's a green sunfish.
It's a sunfish. I don't hold him. I don't hold him. Easy peasy, hold him. Do they die too? Do they do it too?
I don't know.
Here, put him in here. In my net. sunfish. Go right there.
Okay, hold on.
He have to go in the sun now?
No.
He just caught a sunfish?
I just want to take a cool picture of him really quick.
That means 5 fish?
Okay, there he goes in the net. Okay, you gotta let him go from the net.
Hold him